So this is the first prototype that I've built for a wireless color sensor. It's powered by a 3.7 volt 500 milliamp hour LiPo battery, and it has a MEMS accelerometer that senses motion, so when you handle it, it turns the circuit on and powers the device. So you see if I pick the circuit up, then it powers itself on. It has a 128 by 64 graphic OLED display, and if we look here, you can see that it's measuring the battery level and using the analog to digital converter. It's showing the percentage of the battery that is left. It only has 4 input buttons, so your choices are to take a color sample, and that's currently in red, green, blue mode. If you switch it to HSL by pressing this button, then it will display hue, saturation, and luminance, and each mode displays the color temperature. On the bottom of the color sensor there's an LED, and by pressing this button we turn an interrupt on, which will turn the LED light on from the bottom, and you have little status icons that light up, so we have a light for the LED being on, and you can turn it back off. The last button is to send this color data to a remote unit that I built, and I'll demonstrate that in a minute. So when you press that, you can send this same color data to a remote unit over Bluetooth. The LiPo battery is also chargeable over USB. So there's a USB port here, and you plug it in, and there's a little icon animation that starts that lets you know that the battery is charging. So I'm going to demonstrate sending color data wirelessly over Bluetooth to this proto board I've built here with a Bluetooth radio. So if you take a color sample and then you press the send data over Bluetooth button, when it's in red, green, blue mode, it'll send that information to this unit. And if you switch the mode to HSL and then send data, it will send the HSL color data to the unit here. So thank you for watching. If you're interested in knowing more, I'll have a link in the description which will show full schematics for the build as well as code and a full report on the project.